Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can complete objectives on Bloxburg so you can earn easy money every single day. So you'll get around 5,000 if you complete the objectives. I've done the first one, which is just to invite a friend over for like a party or like have a party at your house. The second one is to do like this emote at the beach. If you want to find where the objectives are, it's here. And then you can select this one and then you'll be able to see your daily objectives, and it refreshes every single day. It says perform the dreamer emote at the beach. So I'm just going to go to emotes. I actually don't know where it is. Oh, it's this one. And as you can see, I've completed the objectives. That's so funny. And the third one is restock ingredients while working the fast food worker job. I'm just going to teleport myself there because I don't like to drive. So yeah, that is the third objectives, and you'll earn 5,000 if you do this every day, and you'll earn easy money by doing this. I think it's the most efficient way to do it. You're just going to do this and you don't have to work like a full shift to like earn money. But here I'm going to just restock while I work. Is there anything to restock even? Oh my gosh, is there nothing? They restocked it all. Okay, I'll have to fry a couple things first and then put it to the side, and then I'll restock. Here. And that is it. As you can see, the daily objectives has been completed. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.